In the quiet of the morning light, canvas waits so pure and white. With every color, shape and line, a story forms, a grand design. I'm a dreamer with a pen, painter of the now and then. With a click and gentle scroll, I bring to life what stirs the soul.
Guided by the art divine, pixels dance and stars align.
Harmony in every frame, each design a whispered name.
Layers deep like oceans wide, textures where my thoughts reside.
Fonts that sing and shades that glow, in this craft my spirit flows.